Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and verify your domain ownership on WordPress using a DNS record. So let's get right into it. Now, it depends what you're confirming your ownership for. There are separate processes for both the Meta Pixel as well as the Google Search Console, so it depends on what you're using. I'll be using the example of the Google Search Console, so if you want the Metapixel version, you can go over and check that out on a different page. However, I'll be showing you guys how to do the Search Console thing here. Now, I don't have access to my DNS records because I'm on a free plan on WordPress, but I will be using the official guide on how to do it by the WordPress team. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is you need to go over into your Search Console homepage, log into your account, and then click on Add Property. From here, select Domain as your method here and enter your domain name. And once you do that, then you can enter the domain without the HTTPS and www, and then just click continue. Once you're there, Google will attempt to validate where your domain is registered, and you must ignore the option to verify your domain with WordPress.com, and then select any DNS provider as an option and then continue. From there, you just need to copy the TXT record provided by the verified domain ownership via DNS, and then you need to create the DNS record in your WordPress account. You need to go into upgrades and domains and click on the domain and click on DNS records, and then click the manage button. Then you can click add a record and then enter the type as TXT. The name can be optional, but you need to paste the Google site verification tag over here, or the DNS record. And then once you're done with that, click add new DNS record and return to the console and click verify, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.